Good morning, happy Vlogmas. It is Saturday. It is actually like noon-ish. What time is it? I don't even know. Jesse and I had a sleep-in kind of Saturday morning. We slept in. Kids are at dad's, so you know, we're dishes in the sink. Yeah, it's about noon. We're all showered. We're gonna go get some lunch. I need to go to the store, and then this afternoon I am actually going to have dinner with some friends. So that's my Saturday. Tomorrow, there's a live plan with me. I hang out with my patrons and I have to be at church for a meeting. So, busy Sunday. So today is kind of the more fun day. Sunday fun day, Saturday fun day, whatever. It's windy and rainy outside. Not always fun to drive in, but whatevs. Anyway, we're gonna lock up the cat, the beast. Loki can be free, but we don't trust Lucy with the Christmas tree while we're gone. And then we're gonna go get some lunch. That's what we're doing. Lock him up. Lock him up. Is that the Lucy Kitty dance?
I don't know.
Okay, go lock him up. We came home to lots of mail. I had bought this Himalayan salt lamp. They're supposed to purify the air, but I just think they're cool looking. I want it for my desk. And it was only like 15 bucks. So we got a bunch of mail. Jesse got pills. Yay! This is my Bath & Body Works candles order from Black Friday. And then here's some other things. So we'll just go through all of it at once. Okay, let's see what we got. I don't think this has my special Black Friday gift where I ordered the $30 bag with $100 and something of something. They're gonna ship that separately. But let's see all the candles and make sure they got here intact. Because I've gotten broken candles before and it makes me sad. And I have to get new ones.
They were cool about it last time.
They're always really cool about it. I've never had a problem with Bath & Body Works replacing something that got damaged in transit. But it still makes me sad.
You just have to burn one of the other 100 fucking candles you just bought.
Okay, here, hold that while I talk about the candles. Don't cover the, use this. You're gonna cover the...
Yes, babe.
So this is Leaves, my favorite. Mmm, smells like deliciousness. I got a couple of those, I'm pretty sure. I ruined Jesse's usual Christmas gifts for me by ordering candles because normally he goes and buys me candles, but I needed candles and I wanted them. There's another Leaves. This one is, oh, this one's weird. I didn't even realize it had the weird lid. Look at that. It's Elf Village. It's Crushed Candy Cane, which is one of my favorite winter ones. God damn it, smell that one.
Oh.
It smells like magic and candy canes.
It smells like peppermint.
Yeah, I love it. Got another one of those. Gingham, talked about this in my favorites. I love, I've gotten this one not because it's like a sexy candle, but because it's relaxing. Rose and vanilla. Sniff, does that make you horny?
No. How many fucking candles did you get?
I got enough. They were buy one, get one free or something. Or buy three, get three free. I think I got 12. This one is Pink Fairy Gumdrop. This is one I've never had before. That's really sugary. This is going to be a special occasion candle. London tea and biscuits. There was a tea and lemon one they had that I loved that they haven't had back. Coupon for next time. Mary Mimosa, my favorite drink. Ooh, that one's nice. That one's really subtle. I got another tea and biscuits because I knew I was going to like that one. Sometimes I'm not good at picking candles just from their flavor profiles because I'm not buying them in person, but every once in a while I know. And like Mary Mimosa is another one I knew I was going to like.
Oh, there's still more candles.
This is the last one.
Is it? Thank God.
No, that wouldn't be right because I thought I ordered 10.
You said
2,
12.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, that is 12. That's another gingham. Yes. Okay, so that's my candle. Okay, Jesse is playing with the little air pockets from the Bath & Body Works, even though they're not a toy, with the kitten. I'm going to open my mail. So this, I don't even remember what all it was I ordered, but some of this was Black Friday ordering, or like right around Black Friday. Ah, yes. I ordered some of the...
He's not interested. He's like, come on, this is not a toy.
I ordered the Stabilo, those specific
So right on the bag.
those Instagrammable highlighters. I ordered these to compare them to the mild liners because I really wanted to do that. And then this one is a book. This book is Good Morning, Good Life by Amy Landino, one of the people I followed on the internet for a long ass time. And this is actually going to be the book club selection for the Llama Letters book club in January. I will be going live on Tuesday to talk about it. So stay tuned. And then finally I ordered from the Pigeon Letters. I knew this was coming. She mentioned it when she was at the West Coast Planners, and I was excited to order. Her collaboration with Fine Tech to do a palette. I ordered more of her pens. I ordered a couple packs of those because I'm really liking these fine liners. But this is her collaboration with Legion Paper, Fine Tech, and Dick Blick. It's in like a bag, and what it is a, what do we got here? So it's one of her paint brushes. This is the number 4, which I actually have this already, but I'll totally take it. And then a little hand-painted thing from her, little hand-painted card with these Fine Tech colors. Then there's a list of all the Fine Tech colors that exist, and I have a bunch of these already. I love them. They are the best. This is her hand-selected collection of the Fine Tech colors. And then a pack of Aqua Cold Press Legion Paper Stonehenge Black to paint with the colors on. So that's so cool. I'm so glad I got that. I don't know if they're still available. It was limited edition when I ordered it. They only had a handful of them, but I was really excited to order it because I love the Fine Tech colors. I really enjoy Peggy Bean's other stuff that she's done. Her brushes and her fine liners are both awesome. Oh my God, I love how this salt lamp looks on my desk. I'm gonna have to rearrange everything a little bit to make it fit better, but I love this. Now I gotta put all those candles away and put away a bunch of other shit because I'm supposed to be leaving in a couple hours to go to dinner, even though I feel like I can't eat anything ever again after lunch. This desk organizer has been one of the things that people have commented on the most from my desk, and I love it. However, I found I'm not using a lot of the stuff in it lately, and so I want a little bit more room on my desk, so I'm transitioning to a pencil cup with just the pens I know I'm using right now, and I'm emptying this out and reorganizing this stuff back into my desk area. And this guy may eventually go on this side to hold paintbrushes and shit, but for now I think I'm just gonna retire it until I figure out exactly what I want to do with it. I love it. It's not going to go anywhere, but it may not be getting used for a little while. I think I love how this turned out. Look, so I put my washi in here and moved the binder clips to my drawer. I moved all my other pens to different drawers, put my planners in this thing I got from Home Goods like a few days ago. And then over here is my new rock lamp, and oh, look at that. Oh, what's that? I don't know. We'll talk about that later. All right, I am off to go have dinner with some planner friends. I can't talk about where I'm going. It's a secret dinner, apparently, but I'm gonna see if I can show some of it anyway when I get there. But yeah, I gotta drive in the rain though, and I hate driving in the rain. Hate driving in the rain. Can you see where I'm at and who I'm with? It's Katie and Colleen and Effie and Betty, and you can't see shit, can you?
Sure can't.
My God. Well, that's fine. Just saying. West Coast Planners in the fall, my dudes. Northern California. So I just got home from my dinner out with my friends, and the rain was terrifying coming back. I was driving by myself, had to drive like 20 miles per hour on the highway because of how hard the rain was coming down and how fast the wind was blowing, and my windshield wipers could not go any faster. And now I'm exhausted. But I had a lot of cheesecake. I'm going to get ready for bed, go to sleep, because tomorrow morning I have church. So I'll see you then. Good night. Good morning. It's Sunday. I am dressed. I spent a little time this morning preparing my plans for today's live plan with me, but I have to go to church. I am running a meeting after church, so yeah, the rain has finally kind of stopped. Yesterday was kind of rainy for days. So yeah, makeup's on, I'm dressed, and I think I'm gonna go have my cup of coffee and just chill out for a little bit until I have to leave. Okay, church is done. I need to hustle home and get something to eat because my patron hangout starts in less than half an hour. And then the life plan with me. Busy, busy, busy. I've had a lot of coffee though. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Caffeine, caffeine, caffeine. Yeah. T-minus 14 minutes for the hangout, so I'm gonna make myself some Easy Mac. Hell yes I am. My kids aren't here this weekend. Easy Mac. And while this is cooking, I am going to change my sweater because I am super warm. Look at those kitties. Somehow the paper bag is on the floor. I put on my Beetlejuice pants. And like I changed out of my sweater into like the schlumpy sweater. Because I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere else today. Beetlejuice, 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 woo! People might judge Californians for being hippies or arrogant or whatever, but we don't have fucking snow. I mean, there is snow in the mountains, but like not where I live. Hangout is done, and now I am getting ready for my live plan with me. It's late Sunday evening. Jesse and I were watching a movie together, and now I think we're going to go to bed. I'm gonna take a shower and stuff. Kind of a boring day, but that happens sometimes. Anyway, you guys, the Cheesecake Factory had me thinking and wondering what your favorite desserts are. So let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you tomorrow in my next Vlogmas.